Hi everyone, welcome to the Easy Learn channel. Today I want to teach you how you can change the file system of a flash drive from NTFS to FAT32 so that it can be played on the car audio system. For this purpose, we use US Partition Master software. First, connect the flash drive to the computer. Well, let's check the file system of our flash drive. As you can see, the file system is NTFS. We open the software. Find the desired flash drive and right-click on it. Click on the Format option. From the File System section, select FAT32 and click OK. Here the software warns us that all data inside the flash drive will be deleted after formatting. Therefore, you must back up the data inside the flash drive before formatting. Click OK. In the next step, click on Execute one operation. Finally, click on Apply. As you can see, the operation was completed successfully. Click on Finish. We close the software. Well, let's check the file system of our flash drive. As you can see, the file system changed to FAT32. Note that by changing the file system from NTFS to FAT32, you can no longer transfer files larger than 4 GB to the flash drive. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. By joining my Telegram channel, you can find out about my latest published videos. Thanks for watching this video.